Closing balance month, closing balance quarter, and closing balance year are different DAX functions that help us to evaluate an expression in current filter at last date of month, quarter, or year. So let's get started with creating a new measure. Before that, I just need to mention that for using any time intelligence function in your measure, you need to have a date table in your data model. And this is my data model here, and this is the sale table, and this is my date table as well, and there is a one-to-many relationship between these two, and you need to mark it. This date table needs to be marked as a date table in your data model as well. Then after that, you would be able to use the date table in your time intelligence function and take advantages of time intelligence function in your measure. So let's get started with creating a new measure. And I'm going to call it closing balance months for sale. And now using closing balance months, it's asking me for the expression, and in this case I'm going to use some X and passing the table, which is sales in my case, and expression I would like to multiply sales quantity in sales total sale. And now I need to pass the date table here, which is this one, and that's it. Now in this visual, I'm going to add this measure that I recently created, closing balance for months, and from the date table I would be able to choose this month. And as you can see, for each month that has last date in the sales table for that specific month, we have closing balance for that month specifically. If we want to calculate the closing balance for year, it would be the same process. And then instead of the month, we would be able to adjust the year of the date table, and similarly for quarter.